To those who are asking ano yung ating mga classroom codes para makapasok sa ating classroom, ito yun siya, classroom 1, ito yung ating code. So, kopyahan nyo na lang, CR2BJYJ, that's classroom 1. Tapos sa classroom 2 naman, ito yung ating code. Yan, BRGIJZWF. Classroom 3, meron tayong W2VC7RX7. For classroom 4, meron tayong JH3UH3VF. And for classroom 5, meron tayong JATX2ZL5. So again, a reminder lang, once you are inside any of the classroom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, huwag na kayong pumasok sa other classroom because again, the content of classroom 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all the same. So if possible, huwag tayo mag-double entry para makasave tayo ng space, yung iba na gustong pumasok makapasok. That will be all. Follow for more.